Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking time to stop by. I hope that you will like and subscribe and come back and revisit again and again. Hit that bell for notifications so that you will be notified when I post a video. Well, I want to just jump right in. I am so pleasantly surprised because I got something in the mail unexpected from, you know her as Nalenka Sims. Can't talk, oh my gosh. It's Miss Martha, Nalenka Sims, and so she told me that she had sent me something, and I hadn't been to my P.O. box, and so I went and checked, and I was surprised it was there. So I'm so excited. So you didn't have to do this, but thank you so much. She is a sweetie and such a talented card maker. You will not be disappointed, and I love her ATCs. Go check out her channel, and you will be inspired. I mean, she could sell her cards, and you really should. But anyway, so I'm just going to jump right in and show you what I got. Her information will be in the box below. So this is, she sent me a box, the crayon box from the Dollar Tree that you can alter. And then, we'll open that up in just a second. She sent me some napkins. Look at that. Pumpkins, yay. Perfect. Oh, look at this nice watercolor looking one. I like that. Just a variety of colors. And so she knows I like napkins. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that is gorgeous. This is, I love sunflowers. I used to have one in my backyard. Well, not one, but a couple. Not a whole bunch, but just a few. And they got so tall. Look at those. And they are beautiful flowers. Look at that. Oh, and the nice fall colors. So much that you can do with, you know, look at that purple. My sister will love it. That's her favorite color too. My sister. Pretty. Look at that. Nice floral collection. Oh, and she had to send me some red and white ones. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And she also sent a little goodie right here. Let's see what she did. She altered one. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And let's open it up. Oh, she got some goodies in here. It says Dawn. And she knows I love her ATCs. It says blessed. Look at that. It's actually a little card. It says, these are a few ATCs I have been planning to send for some time. Thanks so much for the napkins. What I enjoy about your crafting is that you do many different things. ATCs, IKS, twinchies, etc. I love that. So thanks for always inspiring, Martha. Oh, you are more than welcome, and thank you so much because you always inspire me with the beautiful level of cards that you make. Oh my gosh, you sent me a lot of, oh my gosh. I'm so honored. Oh my gosh, I am more than honored. Look at that, and it says blessed. Beautiful, beautiful. And she did put it on the back. Gelato's blessed. All right. Love it. Look at that. And this one says the flowers appear on the earth. Oh, and this, if you can see, it has glossy accents on it. And you can see she used, well, you might can't see. But these are, she stamped on this. And this is a napkin. These are napkins. Beautiful. Look at this. With thanks. Wow. Oh, I didn't read the back of this one. The name of it is The Beauty of the Flower. Yes. I love that. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I haven't gotten any ATCs in a while. Titled Lace Thanks. Love it. Life is good. Look at this. And this one is called Reach. Because she's reaching, ain't she? You see her? And she's in red. And this one says, Make It Happen. And it's called Capital Chic. I'm sorry, the title is Buffalo Check Beauty. Look at that. Oh, I love that. And she put them in this nice holder that I can keep them in. So let me show you them again. I'm so excited. I love people with little ATCs, and that's exactly what they are, artist trading cards. Because it's the person's personality, their work of art. And so I'm honored to have pieces of your art that you created. So thank you so much. I love it all. So I will have her information below. Please go out and check out her channel and tell her I sent you. I guarantee you will be pleasantly surprised. Beautiful. Thank you so much. And Martha, you have a wonderful, blessed, beautiful day. And you guys take care. And I dare you to be creative.